In this video, we will learn the legal maxim called a fortiori, derived from Latin, which means from the stronger. This applies to a situation in which, if one fact is true, then it can be inferred that the second, related and included fact, is even more certainly true. The concept underlying this phrase can be illustrated thus. If you do not trust your child to safely operate a bicycle, then, a fortiori, you do not trust him to operate an automobile. This phrase is used in logic to denote an argument to the effect that, because one ascertained fact exists, therefore, another which is included in it, or analogous to it, and is less improbable, unusual, or surprising must also exist. Now look at the advertisement, where an argument of a fortiori applies.
What's this stuff? Some cereal. It's supposed to be good for you. Did you try it? I'm not gonna try it. You try it. I'm not gonna try it. Let's get Mikey. Yeah. He won't eat it. He hates everything. He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
When you bring life home, don't tell the kids it's one of those nutritional cereals you've been trying to get them to eat. You're the only one who has to know.
In this commercial for Life cereal, the brothers experiment on picky little Mikey. If Mikey liked it, the boys figured anyone would. That's an argument, a fortiori. Thus, if something less likely is true, then something more likely will probably be true as well. Thank you for all your support so far. For more videos, subscribe, press the bell icon, also, like and share.